God designed the human body in a way that still leaves the greatest medical minds on earth completely speechless. What you are about to hear is not a theory. It is documented. It is peer-reviewed. It is published in the most respected medical journals in the world. And nobody, not one scientist, can fully explain how it works. Imagine you are sick. You go to a doctor. The doctor gives you a pill. You take it, and you get better. Now imagine being told that pill contained absolutely nothing. No medicine, no active ingredient, just sugar, just water, just air. And yet your body healed anyway. Not in your imagination, physically, measurably, really. This is called the placebo effect, and it is one of the most documented and most baffling phenomena in the entire history of medicine. Patients who received sugar pills have shown measurable reductions in pain, measurable drops in blood pressure, measurable improvements in immune function, measurable changes in hormone levels, all from a pill that contained nothing. But here is where it becomes truly extraordinary. When researchers scan the brains of placebo patients, they find something remarkable. Real endorphins being released, real chemical changes taking place, real biological responses triggered by nothing more than a belief. The brain received information that said this will heal you, and the body obeyed. In some studies, doctors performed what they called placebo surgery. They made incisions on patients, sewed them back up, did absolutely nothing inside. And in multiple documented cases, patients reported the same level of improvement as patients who received the real procedure. The body healed because it believed it would. Think about what this reveals. God placed inside the human body a healing power so extraordinary that even the act of believing, the simple act of expecting to get better, can trigger real measurable physical change. Doctors call it the mind-body connection. But the mechanism cancer patients in documented studies have shown tumor reduction after receiving placebo treatment. The precise chain of events between belief and healing remains completely and totally unexplained. The most remarkable cases go even further. Cancer patients in documented studies have shown tumor reduction after receiving placebo treatment. Parkinson's patients have shown improved motor function. Depression patients have recovered, all from treatments that contained nothing active. All powered entirely by the extraordinary complexity of what God placed inside us. Science has spent decades trying to explain exactly how this works. They know the brain is involved. They know neurotransmitters are involved. They know expectation and belief trigger biological responses. But the full mechanism, the complete explanation of how a thought becomes a physical healing has never been found. Consider this. In one remarkable study, patients with knee arthritis received either real surgery or placebo surgery. The results were published in one of the most prestigious medical journals in the world. The placebo surgery group reported the same improvement as the real surgery group. Same pain reduction, same improved movement, same recovery time from a surgery that never happened. But the placebo effect does not just work when you do not know you are receiving it. In a series of extraordinary experiments, patients were told directly this pill contains no medicine. We are telling you right now it is a sugar pill, and they still got better. The body responded to the ritual of taking medicine even knowing that it was fake. Researchers at Harvard Medical School conducted open-label placebo trials where patients knew exactly what they were taking and still reported significant improvement in their symptoms. The brain is so powerful, so extraordinarily designed, that even the conscious knowledge that no medicine exists was not enough to stop the healing response. The pharmaceutical industry spends billions of dollars every single year trying to beat the placebo effect. Every new drug must prove it works better than a sugar pill before it can be approved. And in recent decades, the placebo effect has been getting stronger, not weaker, meaning the body's natural healing response is more powerful today than scientists have ever recorded. Some researchers believe the placebo effect points to something far deeper than brain chemistry, that there is a connection between the mind and the body so profound, so fundamental, that our current understanding of biology cannot contain it. A connection that was designed deliberately, intentionally, with purpose. Your heart is beating right now without you telling it to. Your immune system is fighting threats you do not know exist. Your body is repairing damaged cells as you listen to these words. And somewhere in the extraordinary complexity of what God built, there is a mechanism that responds to faith, that responds to belief, that responds to the simple act of expecting to be well. The most powerful documented placebo responses have been recorded in pain management, depression, Parkinson's disease, irritable bowel syndrome, chronic fatigue, and post-surgical recovery. Across every single one of these conditions, patients who received nothing improved. Not occasionally, not rarely, consistently, measurably, repeatedly. What does this mean for you? It means the body God gave you is capable of things that medicine is still discovering. It means belief, genuine expectation, genuine faith, has a measurable physical effect on your biology. It means the connection between what you believe and what your body does is real, documented, and still not fully understood. We live inside bodies so magnificently designed that they can begin to heal simply because we believe they will. Not magic, documented science that points directly to a creator whose craftsmanship is beyond our full understanding. The placebo effect is not just a medical curiosity. It is a reminder that the body God gave you is far more powerful than you have ever been told. What do you think could be the cause? Let me know in the comments. Can you do me a favor and like the video so it can be pushed out to more people who need to see this? One last thing. Subscribe.